The device in my hand is a Redmi phone running on MI UI 12, and suppose if you want to take the system icons, you can simply move your finger down like this, and you can say you can take out the system icons, mobile data, Wi-Fi, everything. So normally if you are using the Redmi phones or any other phones running on Android, you can simply pull your finger like this and you can take out this mobile data, Wi-Fi, flashlight, screenshot, etc. There is another method. If this method is not working, then we'll suggest one more method. The method is you must go to the settings, and from the settings you can choose additional settings, and from here you can say accessibility. In the accessibility you can say accessibility menu, control your device using convenient shortcuts. You must turn this on. That you must press this low button and press OK button. Now you can see that on the this is the back key, start, home keys, etc. And after that you can see a button here. This is the accessibilities button. You must press this one. Now if you press that, there you can see an option TOGGLES, and if you press this TOGGLES, then you can see that this system icons have been appeared here. Hope this video is useful. For more videos, subscribe and stay with Engineers and Online. Thank you.